In today's digital age, selling on Amazon has become more competitive than ever. With millions of products vying for attention, standing out from the crowd requires more than just listing your items and hoping for the best. To truly revolutionize your Amazon sales and achieve sustainable success, you need to leverage advanced techniques and strategies. That's where AMZ Product Launcher comes in. Understanding advanced techniques. AMZ Product Launcher offers a comprehensive suite of advanced techniques designed to help sellers maximize their sales potential on Amazon. From optimizing product listings to implementing targeted advertising campaigns, our platform equips sellers with the tools they need to outperform the competition. Harnessing the power of data. One of the key advantages of AMZ Product Launcher is its ability to leverage data to drive sales. By analyzing market trends, customer behavior, and competitor activity, sellers can gain valuable insights that inform their decision-making process. Whether it's identifying high-demand products or refining pricing strategies, data-driven insights are essential for staying ahead in today's competitive marketplace. Streamlining operations. Another way AMZ Product Launcher revolutionizes Amazon sales is by streamlining the selling process. Our platform automates repetitive tasks such as inventory management and order fulfillment, allowing sellers to focus their time and energy on more strategic initiatives. By optimizing efficiency and reducing overhead costs, sellers can increase their profitability and scalability. Building a strong brand presence. In addition to advanced selling techniques, AMZ Product Launcher emphasizes the importance of building a strong brand presence on Amazon. From creating compelling product listings to cultivating positive customer reviews, establishing brand credibility is essential for long-term success. By implementing branding strategies that resonate with your target audience, you can differentiate your products from the competition and foster customer loyalty. Revolutionizing your Amazon sales requires a strategic approach and a commitment to continuous improvement. With AMZ Product Launcher, sellers gain access to advanced techniques, data-driven insights, and streamlined operations that empower them to succeed in today's competitive e-commerce landscape. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned seller, our platform provides the resources and support you need to take your Amazon business to the next level. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.